Hey everybody, it's Josh Matt the Chef here at the K Barbershop, and today we're going to do a skin fade, regular haircut. We're going to trim the beard, also hit him with some clipper over comb. Let's work magic. Our first step is to put in our bald line in, and we're going to do a medium fade. So straight all the way across, just like any other fade we'll be doing. Alright, we'll match that to the other side. The next step is a 1A. Will be your next step into the fade. And just like all my other fades, about 1 inch up. And I'm not digging in, I'm actually scooping as I go up. And that's also going to help you with your fade. And just match that, bring that all the way to the other side of your haircut. So next step will be from our 0 to a 1A. Next step is going to be our 1.5 blade. And it's going to go a little bit higher, maybe not as much as 1 inch, but a little bit less than 1 inch. And I'm going to start scooping. It's already starting to blend. Right after our 1.5 will be our 2, and then we'll hit it with some clipper over comb. Just get that final blend in. Remember, you're going in real gentle, you're going in. And you're rocking it out, you're scooping it out. My next step would be a number 2. And I'm gonna go up a little bit, and then I'm gonna start my clipper over comb process to blend the short hair into the longer hair, okay? So grabbing my number 2, going in and then out. And I'm going to pull at a 45-degree angle with my comb. And I'm going to start shaping the side of the head without taking too much bulk out. So pull this out, still going in and then scooping, and then I'm lifting the hair at the 45-degree angle to take the weight out. So again, in, scoop out, 45, taking it out. Last step on the fade would be to take out the 0 line. Remember, we went up with the 1A about 1 inch, so we have about less than 1 inch to make that blend in. Also, we'll cut the top a little trim on the top, and then I'll start to blend this hair into the beard, and we'll clean up his beard a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the blade all the way closed. I'm gonna start scooping that out. You kind of want to hear how much the hair is, how much the hair is being cut by the blade. If you think it's too much, go on and, loosen it out. Pull that lever back. Same thing as the other side. I'm just gonna go in, take that bottom line out, start scooping it up. Don't go too high. You're gonna create a whole another line. I'm also not using too much pressure. You don't want to use a lot of pressure. So here's a little weight line. One of the ways you can take it out is you can use your texturizing shears. You can clip over a comb a little bit more. Also, you can razor over a comb. I'm just going to show you a little razor over comb technique. So I'm going to go ahead, same degree, 45 degree, pull it out, and I'm just going to go in and backhand and take the weight out. Same thing right here. Not too much, but just enough to take out the extra weight. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and fade into the beard right now from the 0. This is probably a 2 in this range right here. So I'm gonna start off with a 1A and blend that into the 2. Right around in here. Just to start tapering into the beard, down to a 1.5. And then back to my wall. Senior, open it up. And slowly fade down to the 0. I'm just gonna hit the bottom line.
way better. That's what I'm saying.
And now just a little razor, work on the beard, nothing too heavy. Just shape it a little bit. Right there. I'm not gonna do anything major up here, just a couple, you know, bulky areas. I'm gonna keep some of the length in here. Just gonna pull it up and cut what I see that needs to be cut. Lifting in it. Pulling it back, you know, I'll cross check it and make sure. Yeah.